So you get a bunch of coins that need rolls, eh? I'm going to show you a few ways to get them rolled. First, counts. Penny rolls have about 50 coins for 50 cents. Nickels have 40 for $2. Dimes have 50 for $5. And quarters have 40 for $10. You can pick these up at your local bank or from the dollar store. Rolls come in two styles, tubular and flat. Tubes are by far the preferred, but if you get the flat style, method 2 will work best for you. First method is a stacking method. We're going to make a quick stack of 10, and since quarters are all the same size, we can match the stacks to get our count, 4 times for 40 quarters. One thing you need to be careful of is sometimes they rest on each other. Like stack 3 here, straighten it up and just check again. Check that they're all the same size by running the finger across the top. All good? Put them in the tube. Sometimes the quarters can get sideways in the tube. A jiggle will typically straighten them right up. Wrap the top, and that's method 1. Method 2, we're going to use an old medicine bottle. It is nice and round and holds the coins in the stack. On your first fill, count them normally and mark where the cutoff is with a Sharpie. Remember, for quarters, it's 40. For this particular bottle, it's 2 above the very top for 40. Yours might be different. I make all the coins line up, and then take my tube and slide it down, and you're set. Last you could get a coin counter like this one. I got one because I have a small vending route, and they run between $1 to $200. It was well worth it to save myself the 12% coin star fee and the time of sorting, and it pays for itself. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and toss a coin to your witcher. Toss a coin to your witcher, oh valley of plenty.